guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing Hero Factory. So it's kind of past the cutscene and I was upgrading this. Oh look, I could buy a new factory. I keep forgetting, I don't know my English. So, what's this? Oh, it's a boost. So I just upgraded these guys a little bit. They're level 30. And then I just unlocked these guys. So far there's a goblin and like that's all. I don't know. I just been fighting some guys. This is the first video. Holy cow, he's so level 3. 11 gems. What do you do with gems? Achievements. Collect. More gems. What do I do with gems? Wait, what did that say? I can't see. Get Hunting Queen Factory to level 10. Okay. Make it level 20. Oh, I need more money. Okay. Holy cow, that was so much more coins. We need, what do we need? Oh yeah, get to level 50? Holy cow. Need more money already. Oh, there. And we're almost there, 42. Jelly slime? Mud boar? I don't know what any of this is. Well, what's your favorite character? Do you like the bows guys or the sword fighters? What is this? New content has been released? Worlds? Oh, I can go to different worlds? Skills. Follow free skill. Robo King. That's cool. Equip. Help. Home. So now I have this. So I could send in a holy cow. Look how much damage he does. Well, he doesn't do that much damage. Fairy? Collect. What's this? Oh, yeah. Level 50, here I come. Let's go. We need one more upgrade. Keep smacking him in the face. Smack him in the butt. We have enough. They're level 50. These guys are really strong, though. Holy cow, look how much damage they do. Watch, you just hit once. 3,000 damage. I could use my boss. He just destroys everything. Confirm. Get to the 5th stage. What stage? There's stages? Oh, yeah. Hero Factory level 6. I need to get to 6. Level 6. To get a new factory. Collect. What do I do with gems? Tell me if you guys know what I do with gems. I have so much gems. What do I do with them? What do I do with the gems? Okay, we need to level up, so. What do we do? Get to the 5th stages? 15 stages? How do I spend gems? What do I... In here, no, this is options. Maybe I'll get a shop in the future. Okay, when you get to level 16, I'm gonna keep smashing these guys. I'll tell you once I get to level 16, okay? Okay, guys. There, we're level 6. Unlock new... Do you see how much money that was? $100,000. We're gonna need more money. What is that? Oh yeah, here's a shop. Management? Weapon? Equip? There we go. Now they have a new weapon. Cool. How do I get out of this? There. We need lots of money. I'll tell you guys once I get enough money for. I'll show you guys once I get enough money for the third world. 100,000. Okay. As you can see, I got a lot of money. 3-minute booster added. I got a lot of money. Look at my money in the top. Yeah. I got new guys. What are they? Like bandits? Well, I'll upgrade that. I got so much money. I'm gonna just keep spamming us. I need to get this to level 75. Level 7. Oh, wait, what? No, I don't want to skip the labs. 75. Here I come there. There we go. I upgraded so much there. Achievements. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck. Holy cow. There. Now we're really powerful. Especially with this robot. Oh yeah, I don't have enough money. Everything literally just gets destroyed. Hi. Jacob's here. What should we do next? Level 10 for the next factory.
I'm just gonna make a video.
Yeah, Jacob's gonna make another video.
I think headphones.
So guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, I leveled up. So that's gonna be all. Bye.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed. This was Jackson Jacob. Bye.
Remember to like and subscribe.